YouTube, Justin Cherish here. I was going to show you a video of the Corsa is also I just put on my Trans Am. It's got a Sinister cam from Hawks. We put it all in ourselves. It's got the Texas Speed inch and 7/8 headers, the Texas Speed 3-inch Y pipe, and then into the Corsa catback system. As you can tell, it's got the Corsa tips, and then the full stainless steel can and all that. It's already on there. So figured I'd let you guys hear it and tell me what you think, and review and like if you like it.